Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to share the tutorial how to repost a post or content on a TikTok application by iOS or iPhone. So first thing we have to do is just go click open get TikTok applications. And after that, you just need to make sure that you are in the home sections of the TikTok. And when you are in a home section, you just need to scroll down, find out the content that probably funny or informative, give it tips and trick or tutorials that useful and you want to share into your followers. And after you find it, for example, I already found mine, this such as the tutorial of transition PVN shoes. Okay, and this is a tutorial about using the CapCut, I think. And after you find this content, you just need to take a look on these right features over here. You just need to go click at this rose button, and now in these sections you will gonna find like a lot of features that you can use here. One of them with the yellow color is repost. So to repost this post, you just need to click it, and now you already repost this content. So that's all the way how to repost the content on TikTok application. If you find out today's tutorial is really useful and got you so well, don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel.